to MV projects. This is blood group detection using fingerprint, using machine learning model, using Python language. Firstly, we have to sign in with a new account. For example, MV projects, password 12345, 12345. Sign in. Account has been created. Please log in. Okay. MV project, password 12345. Login. MV projects, password 12345. Login. So here we have to enter the patient details. For example, MV Mahesh is 3045. Any phone number, weight was 67, address and your, and we have to upload here fingerprint of the person. I have previously downloaded this. Submit, and we will get our output result. So the fingerprint we have provided was the blood group of AB positive, and with the confidence score of 99.99%. Hence, thank you.